Turn nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables into delicious beverages with the Cuisinart Compact Blender Juice Extractor Combo. This kitchen essential, which creates convenience for a wide variety of juice-based beverages for a healthier lifestyle. The Compact Blender Juicer produces 8 to 16 ounces of fresh juice every time. Equipped with a 450-watt motor, sturdy non-slip base, and control dial with low, high, and pulse options, allows you to blend delicious and healthy drinks. At home or on the go, use the 16-ounce travel cup to enjoy or save for later. Attach the juice extractor to extract nutrients from foods such as celery, carrots, and apples. Place the mesh filter basket and blade firmly into the filter housing. Place the lid on and lock the clamps in place. Make sure the locking clamps are pushed to the down position. Insert the pulp container on the side of the unit. Place a glass at the spout and begin juicing using the food pusher to help aid your fruits and vegetables. The pulp container collects the pulp extracted during juicing. Extracted juice captures 95% of the nutrients from fresh fruits and vegetables. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is fast and easy. At home or on the go with the Cuisinart Compact Blender Juice Extractor.